Next, we are going to learn how to add an icon and a line to our infographic. So right now I'm on my infographic editing page, and I'm going to go to graphics again on the left toolbar, and you're going to want to click on the shapes and icon drop-down menu. From here you'll see that there are several different options for adding an icon or a line. You can pick from one of the many categories, or you can search something specific in the search bar. If you know what you're looking for, it might be better to use the search bar. If you want to see what's available, using the different categories is always a great option. I'm going to search for a line. To preview the line or the icon, you can hover your mouse over the image. I'm going to choose this one. You'll see that once I click on it, it adds it directly to my infographic. And by clicking on the icon or the line, you can easily move it around your page and edit the size. I like mine there. I'm going to add an icon to my infographic to give it something fun. Let's see, landscape. There's many different options to choose from. I'm going to click this plant. And once you have it in the position, you can rotate it. That looks nice. And we can always go back in later and edit these once we have more detail in our infographic. And the last step, don't forget to click Save.